Hello, Lady Trends Lovies. I'm your Gulf Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, also leave a comment below. Andile and Sithelo Shozi celebrates their first daughter together, and oh boy, baby's grandma Kize pens down a message, and she introduced us to her granddaughter Oflo. She looks beautiful. They actually revealed the baby's face, so it's a happy birthday to baby Flo, as they call her. So it's basically shows that Mom Kize has accepted Sithelo as umakoti wakhe, as she also celebrates. In the video, she plays with the baby, as she also mentioned on the message that the baby brings lights and comfort to her life. Thank you guys for watching this video. Your mouth, love you.
Oh, call it up and kiss. Call away. Call up here. Call and say, yeah. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay, say. Yeah, Popo. Yes! Out in man. Not the 8 men. Out in man, that's what I poke some men and say. My dearest baby Flo, as we celebrate your first birthday today, I would like to reflect back to the past year. Yeah, it has really been a journey, and we are loving every moment of it. From the moment I first held you in my arms, my heart was full.
Yeah. Yes. Clap your hands. 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 Yes. Clap your hands. Yes. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Kick. Kick, my darling. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, my darling. Oh, clever girl. Kick.
You have brought light into our life, and words cannot begin to describe the amount of joy and happiness you have brought into our lives. Your captivating smile and presence brightens up any room you are in, and I see the spirit of your great-grandmother, Florence Mkhize, in you. And that is why we have named you Baby Flo. You have come from a long line of strong black women, and my everyday prayer is that you too will carry her legacy. Talking about masterpiece. Look. How many carats?
9 karat gold.
9 karat gold.
Yeah,
Plate.
everything on here.
Everything on here?
This year, that day, that day, that day.
9 carats.
Yeah.
For Baby Flo. I want you to always know where you come from, and that when ngumpisane uvosho ugezani mabona bulawe njengenyamazane, wena mpisa ihlangula bayaziyo. May you grow to be an independent, self-aware, strong and courageous black woman. I'm honored to be your grandmother, and I want you to always know that you are loved dearly. Happy birthday, my love. We love you. It's a wrap.